Okay then, we ready for birthday biscuits? Okay. Who eats the slowest? Noodle. There you go, Noodle. That's Noodles. Don't take his biscuit, please. Here, darling. Take it away. Right. Buddy, where's my buddy? Buddy! Don't you want it? Here, buddy. Here, buddy. That's the buddy. Let her take it away. Who else? Who's slow? Penny, you're a bit slower. Eddie. Dirty Boo. Billy. Kirby. Kiki. Noodle, you've had yours, darling. Who didn't get one? Ow. Lola. Oh, you've got somebody else's. You can have that one then. No, she didn't like it, sweetheart. It's here. Yeah. Yum yum. Oh. Oh, what a mess. Do you want some more of this one? Oh, thank God. Ow! Gently. Oh, God. Oh, God. Pick up the bits, look. There's lots of bits on the floor. All finished.